Welcome to Rhino Products. This is modular racking done the Rhino way. Here you can see our modular racking fully customised into a Renault Master. Our racking's made with the end user in mind. Quick fitment, easy fitment and fully customisable. Bespoke fitment per vehicle and 24-hour next day delivery. Here at Rhino we pride ourselves on quality, so we needed a quality floor provider to go with. Legend Flooring was that perfect match for us. With their fast dispatch time and online presence, it makes the perfect fit for our racking. As you can see here, our racking is put in a Renault Master, fully bespoke to this vehicle, bespoke fitting kits and maximising the load area. You can buy this online, next day delivery.